Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how can we insert heat map on our data. For example, I have two columns, one with states name and the second one with revenue. So if I want to plot this states and the revenue on the heat map, so what I will do first, I will select the both column and press Ctrl T to insert table, press OK. So we'll convert this into table and then I'll go to the insert tab and go to the slicer. I will insert the slicer with the state's name. Just check this one, press OK. Now this slicer has been inserted. Now next turn is heat map. So if I select the data and then go to insert, and within the chart section, you can see maps. So if I click this node and select this one, so it will insert the heat map on my data. So you can see the heat map has been inserted. So if I select any state here, so it will highlight only that state. So if I make a little bit changing, so I also want to see the full map along with the highlighted state. So I will cancel the slicer from here and click on the chart and again click any area within this map, and you can see on the right hand side there's a series option appear. Click this one, expand the series option. The second one, map area, drop down, country region, and close. Now, if I select any state, it will also show the full map as well, along with that highlighted state. You can see now, New Jersey, Virginia. So this is how I can insert the heat map. There are a few of the settings. If you click this one, the plus sign appear. If I click this one, so it will say the chart title, if I want to show or not. If I untick this one, it won't show the chart title. Data tables, and it will show the data on the states, and the legend if I want to show legends or not. If I leave this off, if I click this one within the data, and if I double click the chart, I'll go to the chart design, and you can change the color from here. If I change it to green, orange, and you can also see the chart style as well. You can change the data as well if you want to select some other data, so it will select the data for you. So this is how you can insert this heat map in Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.